Hollywood is finished, and most people don't realize it yet. For decades, Hollywood controlled the stories we consumed, the heroes we admired, and the culture we lived in. Actors were worshipped, studios were powerful, celebrities were untouchable. Hollywood didn't just make movies, it shaped reality, but that era is ending. Because today, Hollywood no longer needs actors. AI can now create human faces that look real, voices that sound emotional, and performances that feel authentic. They don't age, they don't demand contracts, they don't have scandals, and they cost nothing to reshoot. This isn't science fiction, this is happening right now. Writers went on strike. Actors protested in the streets. They begged the studios to protect their jobs from AI. But Hollywood didn't fight to save them. Hollywood embraced the replacement. Because AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't need health insurance. AI doesn't ask for $20 million per movie. From a business perspective, humans are now the expense. Background extras are already being scanned and replaced. Voice actors are being copied. Stunt performers are being digitally generated. Entire scenes are being written by machines. Hollywood isn't being changed by AI. Hollywood is being absorbed by it. The Hollywood empire is collapsing. Not because people don't love movies, but because power has shifted. You no longer need a studio. You no longer need a network. You no longer need permission to create. Anyone with AI and creativity can make entire worlds from a laptop. The gates are open. The gatekeepers are terrified. This is not the end of storytelling. This is the end of control. The end of their control. So here's the real question. Are you going to be one of the people replaced by AI, or one of the people who learns how to use it? Because AI won't destroy everyone, only the ones who refuse to adapt. Hollywood is finished. The future belongs to creators, not corporations. More videos coming soon. Subscribe and follow Just Do AI.